Quick reading for July the 23rd to July the 24th. Scorpio. Your cards are the King of Wands, the Eight of Cups, and the Magician. So, nandito yung hindi ko man nasasabi or naipaparamdam rather, no, sa iyo minsan na mahal kita. I feel like sa gawa naman or baligtad. Pwede rin naman sa gawa ko na ipapakita na mahal kita pero hindi sa salita. Hindi man aligned yung actions and yung words ni person. Pero at least meron dito nagpapakita or nagsho-show that your person is investing, no? Ng time, energy, effort. Medyo hindi pa pantay yung actions and words. Pero naralaman mo at malalaman mo at ipaparamdam ni person with the Star and the Seven of Hazards na sabot inaantay mo rin naman kahit isa dito, no, magkaroon ng kumbaga mag-intensify. So at least merong intensity, nag-intensify naman siya. The Star, medyo nafe-feel mo rin nagle-level up na rin yung mga efforts ni person ngayon. This is your quick reading for July the 23rd to July the 24th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye bye love.